you're advised to just prepare right now to go home and hunker down and wait it out overnight tonight and stay in for most of the morning tomorrow in New York City.
As much as 3 feet of snow in different parts of the Commonwealth. During those heavy bands of snow, we expect up to 2 to 3 inches of accumulation per hour, making for extremely dangerous conditions.
And then we talk about the winds. Look what happens for southeastern Mass. You could have gusts hurricane force overnight.
Declared a state of emergency and a driving ban on all passenger cars in Massachusetts.
I have now signed an executive order banning vehicle traffic effective at 4 o'clock.
But the difference will just be because of the core of the storm. Blizzard warnings because of the extreme winds closer to the actual center of the storm. It's going to be right here for the moisture. This one is going to link up with this just offshore by this evening. And that's when it's really going to bomb out and really, in terms of snowflakes, proliferate.
Where are the other snowflakes going? Where's the closest T-bar? Do you guys have a disaster management personnel discount? Who's Jim Cantori working for? How much is a set of rentals? What's the difference between ice and groom pack powder?